Welcome back to my channel. Another day exploring Kashmir today. This is the Himalayan Escapade. Stay tuned for an exciting day as we hit Gulmargh today. It's day 4 of the Himalayan Escapade and we are still on Dal Lake, staying here in this beautiful property. So that's my critic. That is Kavya and Durvang. Durvang and Kavya. Say hi.
That's Mr. Money.
The beautiful Dal Lake. Wow, check the view out. At least he's willing to go back now. Follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Srinagar downtown area. We're going to Gulmargh from here. The first sight of Gulmargh. This is Gulmargh. We couldn't go up the Gondola because Jiggy wasn't keeping so well with the cold. It's really cold. It's about 2 degrees right here at Gulmargh. And we're heading back from here to Srinagar. And that's the snow-capped mountains all around. And you can see the snow across. So that was Gulmargh. Hope you like this vlog of Himalayan Escapade. Keep watching as we head back to Srinagar now. That was one hell of a day. Gulmargh and back to Srinagar here at our houseboat in Dal Lake. Beautiful cold day. We were freezing all day long in the snow. So that's about day 4 here in the Himalayan Escapade. And it's a wrap for the day. So you know the drill, do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos, and follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned for the next one. That's day 5 coming up tomorrow. Exciting one as we head towards Gulmargh tomorrow, and then further from there. So thank you for watching this, and give me a thumbs up if you do like this video, and say hi to little boy Jiggy right here who wants to be on camera. So See you guys. Until tomorrow, it's ciao, adios, and goodbye.